Please subscribe and like so that you won't miss follow-up on this stock and other market opportunities. I explain stock ideas that has great potential under 3 minutes, and let's get right into today's topic. iBio is a global leader in plant-based biologics manufacturing. Its fast-farming system combines vertical farming, automated hydroponics, and glycan engineering technologies to rapidly deliver high-quality monoclonal antibodies, vaccines, bioinks and other proteins. Additionally, iBio is developing proprietary products, which include iBio 100 for the treatment of fibrotic diseases and vaccines for COVID-19 disease. iBio announces financial results for fiscal year ended June 30, 2020 today. For the fiscal year ended June 30, 2020, iBio reported revenues of approximately $1.6 million, a decrease of $380,000 from approximately $2.0 million for the fiscal year ended June 30, 2019. Total operating expenses, consisting primarily of research and development and general and administrative expenses, for the fiscal year ended June 30, 2020, were approximately $15.6 million, compared with approximately $17.8 million in 2019. While iBio stock enjoyed a spectacular run this year before coming off its highs from below $1 at the beginning of this year to above $6 in July, the share price appreciation was driven almost entirely by speculation on the part of day traders, notably the ones who use the popular Robinhood trading app. Whether iBio will rally again in the near term from its current price around $2 remains to be seen. Since its peaking in July, the New York-based company's stock price has fallen further and further as hopes fade for the company to make a meaningful contribution towards a cure for COVID-19. iBio's two leading COVID-19 vaccine candidates had mixed results in early pre-clinical trials. While iBio has selected one vaccine candidate to move forward with to the more advanced clinical trial stage, iBio is far behind much larger and more established pharmaceutical companies such as Moderna, Pfizer and Johnson & Johnson in the vaccine race. At this point, iBio feels like a has-been. A once great star that has faded and is dimming as the days and weeks go by. Please like and subscribe to help this video reach more smart investors like you. No one can make better decision for you than yourself, and this is not an investment recommendation.